Hi everyone, we're group number 11, and for our project, we're undertaking an economic analysis of a mixed residential and commercial property situated in Verdun. The ground and basement levels of the building are operated as convenience store, whereas the second and third stories of the building are leased as residential apartments. Terry, one of our consultants, lives in the second story of this apartment building. We met with the owner, Mr. Jason, for an initial consultation. During our consultation, he mentioned that there were numerous convenience stores along Wellington Street that have recently closed down. Without undertaking major renovations to the residential portion of the dwelling, the rent can only be increased marginally. Therefore, we're acting on behalf of the property owner to explore various alternatives to maximize his earnings. To achieve this, we're going to explore number 1, different alternatives to the convenience store, number 2, minor renovations to the apartment, number 3, major renovations in the apartment building, and number 4, the existing condition as a benchmark. This slide shows the 20 initial alternatives that our group came up with. We have utilized both hands-on approach and desktop studies to collect information on the building. We have inspected the property to get a feel of what the site was like. Next, we met with council and reviewed existing zoning bylaw to determine what businesses can and cannot operate legally in the borough. We're very much guided by this zoning bylaw, which assisted in narrowing down the alternatives. We have proceeded to collect detailed information on the 7 alternatives we have chosen. A typical process for this detailed research includes determining the startup and operating costs of similar businesses from existing business plans, online forums, and face-to-face interviews with existing business owners. The most challenging aspect of this project is to determine the potential revenues that each alternative may yield. To achieve this, we have used IBIS World to give us an insight of what the industry is like and the market potential of each alternative. In the upcoming weeks, we're going to be collecting detailed information on each of our different alternatives. Next, we're going to create financial models, cash flow diagrams, and determine the most efficient way to compare each of the different alternatives. We're going to complete a report which details our findings and meet with the owner to present this information. Thanks for watching our video.